Ok, vamos a continuar. A ver qué nos dice. Creo que vamos a ir a ver a Bella y Bestia, así que vamos a ver qué nos cuentan. Déjenme bajar el volumen. Espérate un momento. Que tengo que bajar el volumen. Vale. Ahora sí.
Look what happened. So that's back on me now. I thought we agreed that was settled. You said it was settled. That doesn't mean I have to agree.
Vamos a ver si hay algo acá.
And when were you going to tell me? Or were you just going to keep that a secret too? You know what it was. You know what was going on here. I had to get a job, and you wouldn't have it. Don't make it into something that's like the principle of it. Don't act like you weren't keeping secrets too. You're going to bring a mate to I don't have to stand here and listen.
¿Abrimos o golpeemos? No, pensé que iban a decir algo interesante, pero veo que no. Simplemente dicen palabras por poner palabras.
What do you want? Well, you're just going around knocking on doors?
¿Tú llamaste?
Oh, right. Or, was it Beauty?
Why would I call you?
Listen, I've had a shitty night.
You think you're the only one?
And I really don't want to deal with the runaround. Snow said you called and wanted to talk to me.
Sí, así que...
I didn't call. Must have been Beauty. She's been surprising me a lot lately.
Sí.
Can I?
So have you, Bigby. Yet with all the sneaking around and secrets, somehow I'm still the bad guy.
¿Pero qué te escondí?
I've had to hear about it all.
Solo te dije que no la había visto al principio del juego cuando nos topamos en el elevador.
Who's there? B?
You don't want to talk. Can you just get Beauty?
Claro, si tú no quieres hablar, hablo con Bella.
Is it
Y ya
safe
está.
to turn my back? It's your pal, Bigby.
Hi, Bigby. Please excuse us for just a minute. Can I talk to you in private?
Yes.
Bonito el cuadro de Bella, la Bella y la Bestia que está de fondo. Bueno, que vamos a ver el cuadro, ¿vale?
Yes, I really do have the smallest apartment in the world.
La verdad que sí. Mira qué bonito.
We don't need to bring him into this. I just don't think we can trust him. Not after the way he went behind.
Dice que si no está seguro en contarle no sé qué cosa.
Of course you do. He was
Habla de confianza. De si confían en nosotros o algo así. Vamos a examinar todo.
all I'm saying is we can handle this on
A lo mejor tengan algo escondido aquí. ¿Qué es esto? Cuidado, Bigby, no ya deja de andar rompiendo cosas. Al menos en este sentido, ¿no? Mira la tetera del cuento de la Bella y la Bestia. No creo que sea, parece que son teteras comunes y corrientes. Bueno, me van a decir qué rayos está pasando.
Yeah, you know what they say. Centuries of marriage come with centuries of baggage.
I gotta say, your place, it looks,
En la historia dijeron que vivieron felices por siempre, pero la realidad es que no es todo perfección. Hay peleas y todo, pero igual yo espero que vivan juntos ellos relativamente bien, ¿sí? Porque es triste que, no sé, que una pareja idealizada termine tan mal. Nunca supimos qué pasaba después del cuento, pero no sé, yo los veo una buena pareja ellos dos. Se los ve muy carismáticos.
What do you mean by that?
Peace.
No, really, I want to know. What are you trying to say, huh? Did you come to
Es
give us
cierto,
decorating
no estaban
tips?
en deuda.
I thought you were having money problems, but it doesn't look like you're suffering to me. Is this something about that loan you took out from the crooked man?
¿Qué
I
rayos
didn't
es?
know what else to do.
We
So
should deal with this on our own. Bigby's just going to complicate
I
No,
came here, and
yo
I
los
want
puedo
to see if
ayudar.
you can help us out. Why are you being like this?
I'm just trying to do what's best for us.
¿En qué clase de problemas se han metido?
That's all I ever do.
Well, what kind of trouble are you in? Either it's the money or...
Sí, esto no es el dinero, esto es con
I gotta
otra
know one
cosa.
thing first. What if we did have something to say about the crooked man? What if we talk and you don't get it? And all this comes back on us? We'd be risking a lot. We've
Es
seen
verdad.
what happens when you cross the crooked man. I don't know if it's worth it. if you can't give us certain
Hay más
assurances.
personas igual que están sufriendo.
You have info on that crooked bastard. I need to hear it. Otherwise, I've got better things to do.
Ahora ya sabemos quiénes fueron los soplones que le dijeron a Dee y Dan. Tenía razón.
Tell me, what the fuck is going on? You're in so much debt? Look around you. This isn't the way people short on cash live.
Look, we're
Ya
used to
quisiera
a
yo
certain
vivir así.
kind of lifestyle, okay? We couldn't just give that
We
up.
never meant for it to get like this. It's just that we had nowhere else to turn, and we got in over our heads.
There's not a lot of work out there. Who would we be if we just lived like...
No, tío, debe ser el hombre torcido. A lo mejor nos está vigilando o algo. Me dejan.
There, you've reached Beauty. And Beast. And we're out doing something fabulous.
let me just...
Hablan como una pareja feliz.
Skiing the slopes.
Hey,
And we can't come
We're
to
not
the
done
phone
yet.
right now,
I
so
should-
leave a message in the beep
Déjame
and we'll
escuchar.
get back to you as soon as humanly possible. That fucking message. I'm gonna come down there and bash your heads in with that
Madre
machine
mía.
gun. Call again and hear that fucking message one more time. I've been doing this long enough to know that if you had the cash, you'd have paid by now. So consider yourselves out of warnings. It's time to start thinking about how else you can settle this.
¿Qué hago, gente? No quiero poner en problemas a Bella y Bestia, pero es que tampoco puedo dejarles como inocentes tampoco. O sea, es que es la única forma de poder obtener información. Así que voy a tomar el riesgo de ponerlos en peligro a los dos. Y aparte se lo merecen por mentirosos. Así que vamos a atender el teléfono. Discúlpenme, Bella y Bestia. Los voy a ayudar en lo que pueda.
One way or another.
Pero
shit.
necesitamos que se arriesguen. Bueno, no contestó.
All I care about is, how can I find the crooked man? Who do I talk to? Where do I go?
En la...
Han,
el
that's
pequeño
where I borrowed
suertudo.
the money. The crooked man's behind that place. I'd overheard people talking to Jersey about loans before. So, when I needed money, that's where I went. I didn't know what to do.
¿Quién es
Who do you deal with?
Jersey.
¿Quién es
You
Jersey?
know, the Jersey Devil.
¿Es un demonio?
That slimy prick. I didn't realize he was back on this side of the river.
And those Tweedles were always going in and out. Probably dropping off a loan payment they squeezed out of some poor fable. But never the crooked man. Mainly it's just regular fables. I can see now that it was a mistake, but I'm not
Recién te das
the only one
cuenta.
who goes there, you know. I saw the woodsman's axe there just the other day. It was in a display case.
Y de ahí lo sacó Bloody Mary para cortarnos el brazo.
There's a lot of that going around. I can't imagine he has...
Efectivamente, lo que dije estaba justamente ahí de opción.
Bloody Mary must go through there. She had Woody's axe last night. Tried to chop my damn head off with it.
Sí.
Maybe if you go there, you can sort some things out.
I guess I'll go check out the Lucky Pawn. If I can't track down the crooked man there, maybe I can make enough noise that the crooked man will come find me.
Hold on, Bigby. Don't go there. Sounds like you're just going to get Beauty in trouble. And
Y entonces, ¿qué se supone que debo hacer?
you know
Quedarme.
that butcher shop, the cut above? It's the place on Tubman Street. Same block as the baker and the candlestick maker.
La música de ahorita me mola bastante.
Packages from there for a while. The thing is, it's for the crooked man.
¿Vale?
And I don't think it's meat in the package.
¿Qué es
You
entonces?
gotta understand, I needed work.
¿Qué estás
You have to
repartiendo?
believe us.
Well, what are you delivering? What's going on there? How does this fit into the crooked man's operation?
I couldn't tell you. But I do know this. It's the only meat market in town that doesn't carry filet. I'm not sure how much actual butchery goes on.
¿Vale?
How did you get involved with this?
Johann the butcher called. He had a problem with the refrigeration unit one night. But when I finished, it was your pal Mary who showed up to pay me. She said I was reliable. She liked that. It's the only thing I've been able to pick up. It's still not enough. I don't
¿Tú
want
hacías tu
Julia to
trabajo
have to
sucio?
work, especially not where she was.
So you do their dirty work. Look the other way.
Work is work. All I do is deliver stuff. I just wanted to provide for Beauty. Give her the kind of life she deserves.
Tío, y así quieren que los ayude.
We shouldn't have to
Ya no
live
me
like
importan.
this, scraping to get by.
None of us should.
Exacto, ni
We
nadie,
were
así que no lo hagan.
royalties. We were accustomed to a certain lifestyle. All we want is to make this place feel a little bit like home.
Hay
You
veces que
wouldn't
toca vivir
understand.
como gente humilde, ¿no? Váyanse a la miércoles, no.
Fuck off. There are a lot of fables who have it a lot worse off than you.
Exacto.
So, where are you going?
Bueno,
This all goes sideways. I'd like to know where it's coming from.
parece que nos toca otra vez decidir. ¿Para dónde iremos? A la carnicería. Si vamos acá nos encontraremos con Bloody Mary. Y Bloody Mary ya sabe nuestro punto débil. Pero si vamos acá, iremos con el tipo... Puede ser que nos encontremos... Digo yo, acá hay más probabilidad de que esté Bloody Mary y aquí hay más probabilidad de que esté... ¿Cómo se llamaba? El hombre torcido. El hombre torcido es el que está detrás de todo esto, así que vamos para el hombre torcido. Me gustaría volver a ver a Bloody Mary porque es un personaje que llama mucho la atención. Pero, o sea, hay que ir por el jefazo. Siempre
I'm going
por
to
el
the Lucky
jefazo.
Pond. There's too much going on there to ignore. I'll have a word or two with Jersey.
You know, Bigby, once you show your face there, word is going to get out.
No me
There
importa
may be
ya.
nothing left to see if you go to the butcher shop after.
Well, I guess I'll find out.
Una cosa que... Una estrategia que podrían usar...
I don't know what you're planning to do when you find the crooked man, but is there any way you could help us out?
What do you mean?
Well, maybe you can make this all just go away.
¿A qué te refieres?
Really appreciate it. What do you say?
Can you help us out?
No digo nada. No se merecen mi ayuda. Bueno. Así estamos, gente. Quiero ver si es que encontramos algo nuevo en el libro de fábulas. Puede ser que ya se haya llenado un poco. Tocará que, habrá que verlo, ¿eh? Habrá que verlo. Interesante. No sé qué pueda pasar ahora. No sé qué decir. Estoy... No lo sé. ¿Cómo acabará la historia? Pero lo que sí sé es que ya estamos muy cerquita de acabarla, de terminarla. Y recordar, como ya vamos a acabar, tenemos 4 juegos que podemos subir. Y está en vuestra decisión saber cuál subimos. O Donkey Kong Country 2, o Dino Crisis 1. Tío, ¿por qué se sale? O Dino Crisis 1, o GTA San Andrés, o GTA 3.
It's dirty.
No, it's not.
Mira quién está
Looks like
aquí.
he slept in it. In a pile of garbage.
Jack, why are you... I've seen
¿Por qué
you
le estás
take a
entregando
top bus
eso?
for a tenner.
Yeah, but I also got her phone number. I don't want
Estoy yo
her
aquí.
phone number. Ugh, really?
¿Qué haces aquí?
Bigby's here.
¿Qué haces sin tu glamour, Toad?
Why are you never glamorous?
A este sí habría que enviarlo a la
So
granja.
hard to just follow the rules. Look, I know some fables can switch from man to beast and back again, like changing shirts. But it's not so easy for the rest of us to look human, right? And anyways, I'm getting the money right now.
I'm not taking the coat.
It's magic.
So?
And it'll be covering a check I already wrote.
Okay, well, that sounds like a your problem to me.
¿No es el abrigo de
It
Fate?
is, and so I came here to sell it off. Hey, wait a minute, that's Fate's coat. It was Fate's coat. Look, you left it in my place. What do you expect me to do?
Bueno, tienes
Yes, I
razón en
think
cierta
the
parte.
offsite is
Pero igual
statute
no es tu
clearly
propiedad.
states that it's his now, Bigby.
So what's it gonna be?
I don't know what to tell you. See if Cindy needs a coat. I don't know.
¿Quién es Cindy?
This is to pay for those bloody glamours, you know. You and your blinkered rules. If the witches didn't charge so fucking much, I wouldn't have to be in
Yo no le
here.
pongo precio a los glamours.
The witches set their own prices, Toad, and the prices aren't set because of greed. Getting a glamour is hard. The materials are rare.
Spare me the lesson in hoodoo economics. I don't want to hear it.
I don't know what you're getting so steamed about. Shouldn't be that big of a shock that I'm not going to take an ass haircut.
No, I guess it shouldn't be, since this whole bleeding operation's just a setup for one of his shady fucking loads.
Ixnay on the onlays, okay, Ogfrey?
I mean, what kind of a game are you running here?
Vamos a hacer sí, sigamos
You
directos.
turn down people's stuff so you can peddle their shit?
Esto es para el hombre torcido.
Ogfrey?
The crooked man, right? This is his place. Those are his loans.
Well, I'll leave it to your business. I'm sure you'll have a lot to talk about.
Good luck with that glamour, Toad.
Fuck off.
Leave the coat.
How the hell do you expect me to get a glamour then? It's not like I've got a lot of options, you know.
Bien, agarra el abrigo. Ya te lo había. Démosle dinero a todos, ya seamos un poco
Look,
generosos.
I'll give you some money, all right?
You've got to be kidding me.
Do you even know how much a glamour costs?
I've never had to buy one.
Keep your money, Sheriff. I've no patience with charity.
¿En serio?
If you're gonna be out like this, can't you at least wear a bigger hat?
You know, it's getting hard to tell the difference
Between what?
between the business office and fables like a crooked man, who you purportedly seek to protect us from. Either way, I'm getting screwed.
Drop by anytime.
Que, bueno, por ahí están vendiendo calamar afuera de mi casa. Nosotros no somos igual que el hombre
You're
torcido.
nothing like him.
It really grows on you. Came to gloat? Since you had to go and tell on me, I got 8 weeks work detail from Snow. She has me fixing leaky pipes. Like I even know what a C-clamp is. And before you ask, I've never seen the crooked man in here. Either hide your hair and all that.
¿Quieres que te cree esa mentira?
As far as I can tell, he's never even actually stepped foot in here.
Sí, sí, sí.
Bloody Mary works for him. Last time I saw her, she had the woodsman's axe.
So,
So the last time anybody else saw that axe, it was here.
we'd never take something like that.
Ajá, sí. Te creo todo, amigo.
Really? Why you came down here?
Sí.
The woodsman's axe? Because I don't know anything.
Me llevará eso al hombre
That's why I
torcido.
came down here. It'll lead me right to the crooked man if I can track it. He's been sending people to kill me. I'd like to have a little chat about that. Was the axe here?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. I think I noticed a giant mystical axe. And that's saying something. Since, I can sometimes miss the obvious. I'm just joking.
¿Y qué si
I never
encuentro
miss it.
alguna?
And if I just happen to find a giant mystical axe?
That would be quite the magic trick. Listen, I gotta start closing up shop, so,
Close. It's the middle of the day.
Exacto.
what can I say?
¿En serio?
Jersey likes to run it on hours. And really,
Mencionó a
he's
Jersey.
fun to talk to, so can't you just swing by later? It really wouldn't be good for me if he sees your face.
Cuéntame acerca de Jersey.
So,
What else can you tell me about Jersey Devil?
just that he's a fucking psycho, and I like to stay out of his way. I typically work when he's not here, but I can call you when he comes back, alright? Can't you
Shut
just...
up, Jack. The Jersey Devil isn't here to answer my questions. It also means he isn't here to get in my way. So I'm gonna take a look around. As long
Exacto,
as I've got the elbow run.
exacto.
Alright.
Vamos a echar un
Don't let
vistazo.
me get in your way.
I won't.
Vale. Creo que aquí no hay nada importante. O bueno, vamos a examinar todo, si no La gracia de estos juegos es examinar todo. ¿Qué es esto?
What's the anvil?
¿Para qué es el yunque?
Blacksmith didn't need it.
El herrero.
I've seen him around for a while.
¿Cuál herrero? ¿De qué fábula es, gente? Una estatua de... Ah, esta es de la que habíamos
This is from
visto.
Cranes of
Exacto, la que estaba en el apartamento.
I don't know.
Go
Se la
back
robó.
and swipe it.
Se la robó.
On Toad's life.
Se la robó. Ay, la daga de... ¿La daga de Lawrence? ¿Qué hace aquí?
This is Prince Lawrence's dagger.
Este tipo se está agarrando todas las cosas.
I don't know.
Se está agarrando todas las
Are you
cosas.
almost done? A dagger isn't exactly the axe, so
¿Quién pudo haberla
Who would have
empeñado?
done that? One of the Tweedles?
Sí.
whoever did it must have needed the money bad, which should come as a total shock. You don't know how hard most of us have it, do you?
Sí, me lo imagino. No digo nada, porque tampoco sé exactamente cómo vive este tipo. Alguien está agarrando las cosas de los sitios donde estamos, de las fábulas, objetos de las fábulas, y los está vendiendo aquí. ¿Y esto de quién es? No sé de quién será eso. No, algo, cuidado. Este es el hacha, ¿verdad? ¿Dónde estaba el hacha?
Oh, you said you'd never take something like this.
What? I don't,
Me mentiste.
You're a lying piece of shit, Jack.
Oh, okay, come on, baby. That
The
wasn't...
axe was right here all along. Now tell me what happened to it.
I don't know anything about that. I don't, really. I mean, I don't work every day, so...
Ya me cansé.
And even when I
Lo
do
siento.
work, I just try to keep my head down.
Se acabó el señor Paciencia.
Okay. Fucking jeez, take it easy. It was Mary. She took it, okay? That's all I know.
That's all you know? You don't know she almost fucking killed me with it last night?
No, I had no goddamn idea.
¿Dónde vive
She
ella?
sometimes comes in to pick up shit.
You know where she lives? Where she took it?
I don't know where that crazy chick lives. And I don't want to know.
Well, for your sake, you better think of something to tell me.
That's all I can tell you.
¿Seguro?
I'm straight here. I'm just part-time. I mean, it's Jersey who's the one who's into this stuff. He's one of the Crooked Man's boys, okay?
Vale, eso es una pequeña información importante.
But he's not. So just...
Jersey, don't give me that shit. What the fuck is the point of having a system if you're just
That's
gonna...
my fucking.
But you're the guy who makes sure
I'm
that...
the guy that keeps shit in order, and that's it, Woody.
Mira quién está ahí.
Close the fucking gate. Jack,
Al fin nos
if you love
conocemos.
your ex so fucking much, why'd you pawn it in the first fucking place, huh?
I didn't pawn it, asshole. It was stolen from my apartment. And Brent said that he saw it.
El demonio de
Tell me where
Jersey,
it is
¿cierto?
right fucking now.
Entonces se la robaron a este tipo.
Jersey Devil?
Christ. And this fucking guy, too?
Bigby?
Is his axe even here?
Nope, it isn't.
Just like I said, it's not here. Happy?
Yes.
I got shit to do, so whatever you're here for, make it snappy.
He wanted to know where...
Actually, you know what?
Tengo preguntas
I don't
para ti.
care what he wanted.
You work with the Crooked Man. Until I give you permission, you're not gonna do anything but answer my questions.
How's your arm? Bloody Mary leaves a bit of a stink, don't she? Jack, did you know that as of this very morning, Bigby's joined the Crooked Man's obedience school for wayward fucking creatures? He's already passed his first class. You see, the sheriff had who he stupidly thought was the murderer. Been chasing him for fucking days, right? But the Crooked Man snapped his bony fingers. And Bigby handed him over, just like that.
Ay, esta gente me saca de
I'm
quicio.
just gonna let you...
Dime lo que sabes.
You know.
Tell me everything you know right now about the murders and the Crooked Man.
Uf, esto se va a aprender,
Are you kidding me? It was here. It was right fucking here. What did you do with it?
Ayúdame tú también.
What do I know?
Se la llevó,
Oh, dipshit. You're
se
gonna...
la llevó Bloody Mary.
You piece of shit.
Retener a Jersey.
Rip your fucking lungs out.
Back it up, Jersey. You're dealing with me now.
I didn't expect to see you upright. Still looking for whoever killed them hookers? Or are you done chasing your tail?
Where's my axe? Who'd you give it to?
You followed me
Ya
here
me
all
cansé
the
con
way
este
to
tipo.
Battery
Por
Fucking
culpa,
Park?
por culpa de este tipo, Dios es
That's
fuerte.
it? You talk big, but I don't think you got the stones to back it up.
Es demasiado fuerte.
Why should Mary get all the fun? You ain't so tough.
Es hora de transformarse.
You fucking...
Toma esto. Wow, el vidrio es súper fuerte. Bueno, ya no es tan fuerte.
What the hell are you doing? This is my fucking fight.
Not now.
Dog, you got a lot of nerve.
Ok. Empezamos. Así que este es el demonio. No. Bigby, ¿te transformas o haces algo? Toma.
Protected your friend. Too bad you couldn't protect those holes.
Maldito. Ven para acá.
Try to stop.
Vamos para allá.
Fucking stay. There's
Ayúdame. Ahí está el hacha. Ayúdame, amigo. Amigo leñador. Es fuerte este maldito. Vamos. Uf. Es rápido. Miércoles, ¿por qué me envían mensajes justo ahorita que me desconcentran? Vamos. Toma. Adiós al cuerno. Te lo devuelvo. Fue amable, te devolví tu propio cuerno, pero si no lo quieres, no hay problema. Cuidado, Bigby. Dios. Leñador, ¿cuándo vienes? Ah, me equivoqué de botón. Gente, cliqué la... ¿Cómo se llama? La A, la Q en lugar de la W. Ah, ¿y dónde me deja? Hola. No sé dónde me dejará. Vamos a esperar. Si me deja muy atrás, pues haría una pausa y de ahí continuamos. Pero que no se demore tanto tampoco. Ay, mi gente, mi gente. A ver, a ver. Vale, no estamos muy lejos. Ahora. Y ahora viene la Q. Es fuerte.
the asshole. I found
Y era ahora. Dios, eso tuvo que haber dolido. Vamos, Bigby. Usa esto. Toma, pero muévete, mouse. Uf, qué ironía. Al principio del juego a ti te estábamos haciendo eso. Pero ahora tú le haces eso a este tipo. No lo vayas a matar todavía. Necesitamos que nos dé respuesta.
So, wanna try again?
You can't find a crooked man. No one can. There's no address, no place. He lives in the bends and forks of tree roots, behind the sun, in the shadows.
That's not good enough.
Oh, the door to his house. It bounces around, never in one spot. You'll never find it. Even Crane had to use the magic mirror. That fucking guy. Oh, mirror. Mirror.
¿Cómo lo contactas tú?
Okay, that's Crane's way. How do you contact him?
Oh, I don't.
He uses couriers for everything.
Cuervos, goblins, los gemelos.
The fucking Tweedles. Whatever. I go in when I'm taken there.
Habría que hablar con los gemelos entonces.
Do you? What do you have? Nothing. That useless bitch Snow White and a broken.
Es verdad. ¿Cómo sabe que el espejo está roto? Esto me lleva a Bluebeard.
Fucking mirror.
Puede ser.
It got broken.
Oh, that. Gossip flies fast.
Fue Bluebeard el que te dijo.
Sewing circle. It doesn't matter what you fucking do. You're not gonna get him. You wanna knock on his fucking door and see what happens? Fine. Crane had the mirror. Bloody Mary had Crane. So take your fucking wrecking crew after the butcher shop.
The cut above. If I can find the mirror piece there, I can find the crooked man.
Exacto.
That's her spot. That's where all the magic happens. Now leave me, so I can find some aspirin. Oh.
Madre mía. Está Mary ahí. ¿Por qué me dices todo esto?
Why just tell me this? You trying to rush me out of here?
I'm trying to make a point, dog. You can have all the information you fucking want. It's not gonna help you when the time comes. And that time, it's a coming. You got what you want. Now get the fuck out of here.
Ok. Bueno, tenemos información. Parece que ahora vamos a ir a la carnicería. Uy,
Sheriff,
¿qué pasa?
those girls are still dead. Oh, and there's nothing you can do to bring them back.
Estoy hablando con un demonio, así que...
But I do know this. Oh, if they're dead, it's because the crooked man wanted them dead. That's all it takes. So you can raw smash the place up. Shit. You can wail on me all you want. But what good is it gonna do you? 'Cause he ain't in your town. You're in his. And he sure as shit is ready for you.
Estamos hablando con un demonio, así que aquí creo que todo podría ser posible en este juego. ¿Qué te parezco?
What do I look like, huh? You really want to know? I should have hit you with this thing.
Ay, Dios.
Shitty brand anyway.
Pero me gustó que hayan trabajado en equipo estos dos realmente.
Wrong. About what? About those girls. There is something you can do about it.
Exacto.
Get the fucker who did it. Ain't that the plan?
Haré mi trabajo. O bueno, no alcancé a responder. Ahorita que me doy cuenta, el Trip Trap está aquí. O sea que... ¿Qué es lo que sigue para ti?
Hey, Woody. Yeah. What are you gonna do now? We all got our role to play, Wolf. I'll see ya.
¿Os dais cuenta que el taxista o sea, siempre se suben en el mismo chofer del taxi? Creo que siempre es el mismo. Un personaje secundario reciclado. Bueno, como estaba diciendo, el Trip Trap está justamente al lado de la tienda esta. ¿Quién lo diría? Pensaba que estaba en otro lado. En fin. ¿Y bien? Wow. Increíble, gente. Me gustó esta pelea. Muy bien, gente, hasta aquí nomás vamos a llegar con este capítulo, así que ya sabéis, espero que os haya gustado mucho, dejar algún comentario de algo que os haya encantado del vídeo, me gusta si os gustó, y ya sabéis, también comentarios si podéis, por favor, dejar qué serie queréis que suba, cuál sería la siguiente serie que suba, GTA 3, GTA San Andrés, Donkey Kong Country 2 o Dino Crisis. Bueno, eso sería, y muchas gracias, y nos veremos hasta la próxima.